Hey, what's cracking, guys? Thank you for stopping by the DawgfathasBBQ YouTube channel. I'm the Dawgfatha. What do I do here? Man, I do all things barbecue. And frankly, I might do some things that aren't. But what do we do as barbecue? Well, we'll do how-tos, teaching how to bake this or how to grill that, smoke this, smoke that. We may talk about barbecue pits, barbecue grills, designs, accessories, you name it. Whatever you can use to enhance your barbecue game, that's what we like to talk about here and experience. I might go out and hang out with other YouTubers. We might do collaborations on different cooks. We might decide, hey, let's go take a road trip and go visit different barbecue places, man, because that's what we do. We might hit a restaurant. We might go to a barbecue trailer. We might go to a barbecue food truck. Hell, we might even hit a pop-up. Everything that's associated with barbecue, that's what we like to get into here. So, if that is the type of channel that you're looking for, look no further. Click on my logo down there in the corner and subscribe, guys. Become part of this DawgfathasBBQ YouTube channel and what I call the Dog Pound. I affectionately call my subscribers a dog pound because that's just what I like to do because I'm the Dawgfatha. But hey, it's all in fun. We love to hang out. We'll have our live sessions where you get to meet other members of the Dog Pound and we all just hang out, talk, collaborate. Man, we just do it all here, guys. So feel free to jump in on any of those comments and in the live session chats. Ask your questions. If you've got an idea of something you want me to cook or a place you want me to go visit, here around the Austin, Texas area, feel free to put that in there, guys, so we can make it happen. All right? Again, I hope you enjoy the content that we provide on this channel and hope you consider becoming a part of the Dog Pound. Subscribe. Okay? All right, guys. Until next time, Dawgfatha's out. Peace.